Hey, Mike Healy here with another Bidpoint business tip for you, and you're going to love this one. Hopefully you've been liking all of them, and if you don't mind, share, like, comment, anything you need, please leave them on the other videos or this one as we get them out there. But this one is going to be about how to quickly create PDFs without any software using just your smartphone, okay? Now, as a perfect example, and I'll explain how this works for my company, is with Bidpoint, what we do is we analyze businesses to find savings in their energy costs, basically their natural gas and electricity, and then we have suppliers bid against each other to find the lowest cost for the customer, okay? Now, what we have to do is we have to quickly get paperwork to the people that run these things, that we get the bidding process done. And what we need is a couple simple pieces of paper. Basically, I have a couple forms right here that I need to get into them, and then I have a couple of their backup billing statements. You can't really see that with the lighting here, but what I need is, so I've got 4 documents here that I have to get to headquarters, and I don't have a fax machine anymore because this is 2018. And I don't want to mail this in because there's a better technology out there. So I'm going to show you the service that we use, and then I'll explain it to you in a second. I'm going to go to my computer. I have told everybody to go use this service. Pull it right up on your phone. It's actually a free service, and it's called Scanner Pro. Scanner Pro is just a free app. You can get it on the Google Store or the Apple Store. And here's what it does. I'm going to blow these up for you so you can kind of see these images a little better. Or these graphics, is it basically turns your iPhone or your smartphone into a digital scanner. So all you got to do is you got to put your phone over top of the document. It'll automatically square it up, and it'll automatically take a photo of it and resize it. And then the next phase of that, what's really cool, is it automatically converts it into the PDF that you can actually do it as a JPEG if you wanted, which is a picture. You convert it by putting it on PDF, and you can mail it to yourself or send it directly to somebody by text message, okay? Now, what I love about that is the fact that it's very, very quick, and they store on your phone, so you can have them stored on your phone, but you literally, all you have to do is you just take your form. I just set them right on my desk or on the ground. I take my phone. I can't do it as an example because I'm talking to my phone right now. But I take it, you put it right over top of it, it snapshots it, and then you can put 3, 4, 5 documents together, and then I typically just send them to myself, and that way I have the documents filed or saved not only on my phone, but I have them saved on my computer, and then I send them off, and it's that simple. But it's called it's called Scanner Pro. Make sure you go get it, upload it on your phone. That's the easiest one that I have found that works the best. So another business tip for you. Hey, if you like this, feel free to share it, comment on it, and if you got any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And if you're looking for some savings, we definitely got you covered in that area too. So thanks again. See you in the other videos.